In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export scraped data from Browse AI to Google Sheets. Whether you're new to Browse AI or just looking for a quick guide to get your data flowing into Google Sheets, you're in the right place. Stick around because, by the end, you'll be able to automate your data extraction and start managing it efficiently in Google Sheets. First, let's quickly go over what Browse AI is and why it's such a powerful tool for web scraping. Browse AI is an automation tool that lets you scrape any website without needing to code. It allows you to create simple robots that can collect data from any page, from product prices to user reviews and more. Once you've set up your scraping robot, the next step is exporting that data into a format that's useful to you, and that's where Google Sheets comes in. So, how do you export scraped data from Browse AI to Google Sheets? It's pretty straightforward. First, you'll need to connect your Browse AI account to Google Sheets. In Browse AI, head over to your project and select the robot you want to export data from. After that, look for the Integration section within Browse AI. You'll see an option to connect to Google Sheets. Just click on that option, and Browse AI will guide you through the authentication process. Once you've successfully authenticated, the next step is to decide where in your Google Sheets you want the data to go. You can either create a new sheet or connect to an existing one. Once that's done, you'll choose the specific fields or data points you want to export. If you're scraping product prices, for example, you'd select the price field, and Browse AI will automatically populate the data into the appropriate columns. The best part? Once your robot has collected the data, it will automatically push that data into your Google Sheets in real time, meaning you don't have to manually transfer anything. This setup is perfect for anyone who wants to automate data scraping without having to deal with spreadsheets manually. It's fast, efficient, and scalable. Now here's something that a lot of users overlook. Browse AI also allows you to set up automated scraping schedules. This means that you can have data exported to your Google Sheets on a daily, weekly, or custom schedule, depending on your needs. This is great if you need fresh data at regular intervals without lifting a finger. Before I show you how to get started, if you're new to Browse AI, you can try it completely free with an exclusive bonus using the first link below. This will give you access to all the features you need to get started with web scraping and Google Sheets integration, and you'll also get extra time to test the software out. So, to summarize, once you've connected your Browse AI account to Google Sheets, selected your scraping robot and fields, and set up the integration, you'll be able to automatically export all of your scraped data into Google Sheets in real time. It's a great way to stay organized and keep track of your data without any hassle. And just as a reminder, make sure you click the first link below for your exclusive and extended free trial to Browse AI. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your web scraping and data management tasks with Browse AI.